What kind of Japanese food do you like as a vegan or Muslim? In Japan, there is a convenient seasoning called mentsuyu, which is a premixed mixture of umami ingredients, soy sauce, mirin, and other seasonings that forms the base of delicious Japanese food. Using this mentsuyu, anyone can easily prepare authentic Japanese cuisine anywhere in the world. In Japan, vegetarian cuisine, which is based on Buddhist precepts and does not use any animal-derived ingredients, has existed since ancient times. We Japanese also have a traditional culture of worshipping multiple deities, Shintoism and Buddhism, and we understand the precepts and culture of Muslims, and we want Muslims and vegans who visit Japan to enjoy delicious Japanese food. We Japanese value this spirit of omotenashi. The Japanese ingredient maker sells halal and animal-free mentsuyu, making it easy for Muslims and vegans to prepare delicious Japanese food at home. Vegans and Muslims alike can easily and conveniently prepare authentic Japanese dishes such as tempura, soba, udon, and Japanese pasta. Tomomiso sells a variety of authentic Japanese recipes using mentsuyu and vegan and halal certified mentsuyu products to the world.